and I miss you guys a lot because we always come together here. And today you are in Pakistan, and I know you are having some fun. And I just come here because I miss you guys a lot. So the places I went with you, then I can see you were there with me. And then this way, your mom, you and Moise, everybody with me, I feel this way. Look, I'm right here, at the little hut they make with those little bushes, something, and this is right here, and we were here, and if you remember, we all take pictures over here. And look, right here, a little wooden made boat right here, and this boat we also took pictures. And there's like over there, if you see, this is all trail over there and people just walking through here. And right there is that Marshy Nature Center where they all have all kind of birds. And right here, a little boat somewhere, and they make this little boat. And I hope you remember everything we did together, and I hope you liked it. And I really miss you guys, and I can't explain, I have no words because you all are my whole world, and there's nothing else for me. Look, right here, the boat I was talking about, right here. Look, this is little boat, we took picture with that boat too. And I think that was a very good moment when we were here. And now I'm trying to go inside of the nature center if I could, because they have a specific time to go there, and I don't know if they let me go inside. Let's see what happens. Okay, I'm going towards there. Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good, thank you. Okay, Alicia, I'm right here at the Marshes Point Nature Center main entrance, which is right here at Marshes Point Nature Center main entrance. So I'm right here, and look, it's nice, pretty day. And here is the things people do a lot. I think this is the back of this nature center. And remember, we had pictures over there, and we had like a lot of, see, look right here is, this is the bird over here, different kind of birds picture. And right here, different more birds pictures here, and more birds pictures right here. And I am just wants to go, if I think I can go from here, but I'm not sure. Okay, I'm right here inside the building, and if you remember, right here, this is everything. And this is a fish tank right here. Look, and if you see, you were here, and this is a turtle. Can you see that? This is a turtle right here. Yeah. See? They're swimming. And right here, all these birds. Look, right here. And this is right here, the bear. Look. Look at the bear. How tall he is. Look. It's a bear. See? Look closer. And there was another bear over there. Look. There was another bear. See? And this is a duck. This is, I think, another duck. No, this is eagle. Yeah, and this is right here. This is all kind of halls right there. Okay, and I'm going inside of a lab. Hello, how you doing? Is that okay? I'm just making a little video for my kids. You know, they're in Pakistan, so I miss them. So I tell them I was there with you, so I can send them that video. Thank you. And look, right here, we were here. Remember, this is a little room over there. They have right here another bear. You see, right here. Look, yeah, yes, this is right here a bear. Yes, this is all nature center. Look, this is another bear. Look, cute. Yes, we all took picture right here. If you remember those all things. And look, there's a big hanging over bird right here. Yeah, you see? And this is a fish tank right here. See? And this is a little fish tank right here too. And I'm not sure if you can look over here. This is a little fish tank where they have fishes, turtles, everything. Look. I hope you can hear this squeak of a dog. There is a dog squeaking. Oh, look right here, little dog right here. Right here. Right here. Dog.